All right, more news coming in. Pawan Kalyan has broken his silence on the Allu Arjun controversy, saying, and I quote, "My opinion is that what could have been resolved easily, a huge disaster happened." Revant Reddy is a very great leader. He rose from the bottom. They don't act like YCP policies there. They gave the opportunity to increase the price of benefit shows and tickets. People show love and support for the heroes of the film. When the hero is coming, the fans are naturally excited. I don't know what happened before and after in the case of Allu Arjun, says Pawan Kalyan. I don't go to the cinema hall. If it's good, they praise it. If it's bad, they criticize it. A compliment or award for the artist is priceless. We stop going to the cinema hall. Why don't I blame the police in such incidents? Because they think about security first. Chiranjeevi used to go to the theatre alone wearing a mask. There were times when I also went like that. The staff should have told Arjun about this before. After he went and sat down, he should have told him about this incident. The law is equal for everyone, says Pawan Kalyan. Pawan Kalyan breaking his silence on this matter. As far as the stampede at the Standya Theatre is concerned, remember, Allu Arjun is being now questioned by the police, has already been questioned by the police. It also, in fact, had to spend a night in jail because he's been named as the accused #1 in this entire matter. In the stampede that has killed one person and left a child battling for his life. The Deputy Chief Minister there breaking his silence. He says that what could have been resolved easily, but a disaster happened. The matter could have been resolved easily. Also talking about the Chief Minister of Telangana, saying that Revant Reddy is a great leader. He rose from the bottom. They don't act like YCP policies there. We'll be getting in more details in just a moment from now. Apurva is with us. Apurva, take us through the statement of Pawan Kalyan here.
Well, that's right. Sneha, what we are getting to learn is this is the first statement that is coming from Pawan Kalyan himself. In a closed-door chit-chat there with the media, he talked about what had happened in the Allu Arjun case. He went on and goes on and says that cinema is, it's a kind of a family and everybody is involved. Not one person should have been made at fault. Here is what, Pawan Kalyan has also went on and stated. He stated that earlier on several actors as well had gone ahead and, went to watch their films and it was wrong on the part if an actor doesn't go ahead and greet his fans. That's what we also getting to learn from Pawan Kalyan. In fact, he goes on and says that it would have been only right for Pawan Kalyan, for Allu Arjun if after the incident that happened when,
Getting in those details, we'll just in fact connect with her once again as we rectify the audio line with my colleague Apurva Jayachandran. Pawan Kalyan, though breaking his silence on the Allu Arjun stampede controversy there.